Do it again. Horde number 2. Well, it's not really horde. Looks like 2. But a trailer full. Can we say basket case? I know. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, fun. Okay, let's get to that.
Yeah, that's about my thoughts on that whole subject. Basket cases. Love basket cases. They're huge puzzles. Luckily, the amount of experience I've got building motorcycles, the puzzles usually don't take very long to slap together. When I say slap together, these are not restoration projects. These are not bring it back to its former glory. These are make it run so I can sell it and we get it out of here. So, you go in, you fix the problems. This one has 2 Warriors. Both cases are broken in basically the same spot. Got to get in there, clean it all up. We'll weld it all up, get them fixed and back together. As you'll see further in the video, doesn't look like a bad Warrior when we're all said and done with it. It took 2 to make 1, but that's how these basket cases usually work. People sit there and say, oh, all the parts are here. And as you start digging into them, yeah, all the parts aren't always there. Had to go through and blow a hole in the cylinder, get some cross hatches back in this thing. It was rusty, crusty, and kind of nasty, so she cleaned up really nice. As you can see, beautiful cross hatches, pretty cylinder. Nothing wrong with it whatsoever. Piston, get in there with a file. The ring lands had a little bit of grub in them, so get in there, clean them out. Get everything all lubed up, working the way it's supposed to. I use 1040 pretty much on all installations and assemblies. Like I said, slap these things together. This is not a, I want a minty bike. This is a, we need to get it gone so we can get a paycheck. Very unconventional. Non-by-the-book kind of stuff. But I'm not very by the book anyways. Really appreciate you guys clicking on these clips and videos and watching them. Remember, watch time is key. If we can watch them all the way through, and if I can keep you interested in it all the way through, it's a good thing. Further they'll go. Got other hordes and basket case assemblies going together. I've got another video of 4. Had a trailer full. If you saw the short, KZ1000 Big Red 250SX, a little 50, 230 Quad Sport, all kinds of stuff. That video is still going together. It's a lot longer than this one. The Warrior video that you're watching right now is kind of short, so I figured I'd knock this one out first. Throw some plugs into the other videos. That way you guys are kind of looking forward to them. Hit that bell notification. If you're already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. That way you know when videos are getting released. Shorts, long formats. We do educational stuff, funny stuff, weird stuff, out-of-the-box things. You never know what's going to roll through the door in this shop. It's all off-road, quads, trikes mainly. Sometimes we get street bikes. Sometimes we get dirt bikes. Sometimes we get lifted trikes. I really try and avoid lifted quads because I'm little and moving those things around the shop is a pain in the butt. I refuse all side-by-sides because, again, the shop might seem like it's pretty big size-wise, but I can't fit side-by-sides in here more than maybe 1. So, quads, trikes, that's it. But that's really all I need. Keeps me busy, gives me plenty of content. Got a few guys that keep me loaded up, ready to go. These Warrior clutches are kind of strange. They're not really the most conventional clutches if you're used to playing with clutches, but it is what it is. We got the motor in the hole. These pink shocks got to go. The next day we turned around, we did a suspension swap. Got some white springs on there, better shocks. But yep, cleaned up, looking good. That's one set of plastics on it. Tony wasn't too happy with that set of plastics, so we swapped them out. Those front tires are Polaris front tires. We also swapped those out to regular size tires, so it looks a little bit more normal. But she's together. She turns over, doesn't start. A little weak on the compression. Got to figure that one out still. But she rolls over, she turns over, everything works good. Reverses, all the gears work. It's a good starter quad for somebody that wants project to finish up. Cheap, ready to go. Not bad looking whatsoever. Throw a comment down in there and tell me what you think of this kind of stuff. I do all kinds of different builds. Some of them are beautiful, beautiful builds. Other ones are slap together and make it go away. So, with a like, a comment, a share, a follow, whatever you want to call it. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the shop. Yes, there's some absolute gems in here. I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all have a great day, and I appreciate your watching. See ya.